So there was a bug in my project demo, which is like in the very last section of the demo about the tasks. So then like the Flatiron program requires for every project, they require a live coding session, like a short one around 30 minutes. To demonstrate how we code our projects. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity for me to fix this bug through live coding to fulfill this requirement. So first, let me demonstrate my bug. I will sign in as an admin user, if I can remember their email. Oh, by the way, this is also responsive, as you can see. If I go back, sign in. So yeah, it's a responsive page. Sorry, let me sign in then. Okay, so I am signed in as an admin user, like this person, and I'm gonna go to the. So I have 3 tasks that I have assigned out, but they don't belong to me. As you can see here, they belong to other people. And now I'm gonna assign one task, research Ruby, to this person, and later I'm gonna sign in as this person to test. Okay, so now there are 4 tasks associated with this ticket, and only one belongs to the person that I'm gonna test with. So now I'm gonna sign in as that person on this tab. Sorry, I have like all these names seated with paper, so I don't really remember their names, and I can just refer to them as this person. So let's go to my tasks. So here, like on my tasks, I see like all the tasks associated with this ticket, and I can even see the edit tabs like checkbox for the tasks that belong to other agents. They don't belong to me. The only task that belongs to me is the research Ruby on Rails guide, which is here. Okay, so that is not good because yeah, I don't want to see other people's tasks on my task index view, and I don't want to be able to edit other people's tasks. In order to demonstrate this index view and how tasks are grouped on my index view, I'm gonna go create another task for myself in another ticket. And I can assign it to myself here. Okay, so now I should see, okay, it pops up like this. So all the tasks are grouped by tickets, and if I want to see like the tickets, like the other agent's tasks in relation to mine for a specific ticket, I can click on the ticket and see, make comparisons here. And this is the desired behavior here, because I can only edit my own task. I don't have any checkboxes for other agents. So if I click here and refresh, oh, by the way, we haven't learned JavaScript. So like I can only change the style of the completed task by clicking on the refresh tab. Later, when we learn JavaScript, I will improve this so that as soon as I click this checkbox, the style will change without me having to refresh the page. And then if I go to my task, it's also shown as completed here. And after a task is completed, I am allowed to delete it. So I don't want to be able to edit other people's tasks, and I don't want to see their tasks on my task index view. So let's first check if my authorization works, because like I think in my code I have authorization to prevent me from editing other people's tasks. So let's check this and refresh. Okay, so the authorization works. I'm not authorized to access this page, meaning I cannot do anything. So this hasn't changed this task. Okay, so I only want to fix this so that the Ruby on Rails enums under this title, I only see research Ruby on Rails guide. Let's go fix it in my code base. So first I want to show you my associations. A task belongs to an assigner or an assignee, and they are both users, and actually they are limited to be the admins. And it also belongs to a ticket. And a ticket has many tasks and dependent destroy. For the user though, I don't have them written out on my in my association section. I have the association written out through custom class methods. So for this method, I am querying the task to find out all the tasks, whether it's assigner ID or assignee ID is the same as self ID, self meaning the current user. And through this tasks, I will be able to. So as I write in my blog post, if I want to get all the tasks, I can do assigned. I can say has many assigned tasks or and has many owned tasks, and then combine assigned tasks and owned tasks to get all the tasks associated with a user. However, that is less performant than writing this class method. And through this class method, I also have another class method to get all the tasked tickets. So I can get tickets that have tasks assigned to me or assigned by me. So first I go to get the ticket ID array. I go to my tasks. This refers to here tasks where, so it's this method, the return value of this method, tasks distinct, and because you can have like, assigner ID or assignee ID on the same task. And I plug the ticket ID associated with those tasks. And then through this array, ticket ID array, I can find all the tickets that have tasks assigned to me or assigned by me. Okay, so that's basically my association. And then I'm going to the task controller. I want to fix this part. So basically this is the index view, but for tasks, I have I have nested routes as well as independent routes. The nested routes are accessed through the ticket. So if you go back to this ticket, and the independent route is accessed through clicking on this index tab. So I want to fix this index tab for the independent route. So it is, as you can see, in the logic, it is for this method. Load aggregate tasks. So I'm assigning the current user's tasked tickets to the tickets instance variable and rendering aggregate index. So let's go to aggregate index. If tickets present, yes, that is where we want to fix. It's rendering the partial ticket task. Okay, so I already see it's here. I am looking through this tickets. So basically, when you do a collection, rendering a collection, it loops through all the tickets. So this one is one independent, individual ticket. However, I am looking through all the tasks associated with this ticket. In reality, I only want to loop through the tasks under this ticket that are assigned to me or assigned by me. So in order to achieve that, I need to write the logic in the helper. So let's do task helper. I want to do, okay, let's do a split. And I want to look at the association here. I want to load the tasks associated with a certain ticket with assigner ID, with assignee ID equaling my ID. Okay, so let's do that here. Load. And for this method, okay, so let's just ticket tasks each to. Okay, so I can feed in the ticket here, and then I just wanna see for ticket, it has many tasks, so I can query the tasks. However, I only want to where the, so it's gonna resemble like here. I only want to get the assignee tickets assigned to me. I don't care about. Do I care about? Yeah. I want to see the tasks that are assigned by me as well. So assigner ID. And this needs to be current user.id. Current user.id. Okay, so this will be my return value. Let's check it out. Check in my console to see whether it works. First get the last ticket. Ruby on Rails CNAMs. Okay, that is the ticket that we saw. And then so I can just I can first do ticket task. This has like different assignee IDs assigned. They're assigned to different users. And then let's query this one. Except that current user ID, let's test 15. Okay, so I only get one. So this method works. Let's go to the view then. So this part needs to be here. So the H2 task. I think that's all I need to do. Let's test in the browser. Refresh. Okay, that's good. I think I just fixed this bug. Let's just check the performance. So I am doing one query to load the tickets. I'm feeding all the IDs, and then for each ticket, I am doing. Oh, sorry. For each ticket, I am doing one query to get to the tasks. So it is not that bad. Okay, so that is the fix of my bug. Thank you very much for watching.